Did you know that eggplants are really good for you? They have a lot of fiber. They've got a lot of antioxidants. They have some protein. They have manganese and vitamin B9, which is folate, which is responsible for the production of cells. They have potassium and high quantities of vitamin K and C. They're high in antioxidants that can protect against free radicals. They could reduce the risk of heart disease because they have so much fiber, reduce LDLs and triglycerides. Because of the fiber, they can also might control sugar in your blood and also, control your appetite because they have so much fiber. They have many cancer fighting benefits. Did you know that? And I'm going to put these in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 centigrade, for about 55 minutes. These are nicely roasted. I'm going to wait for them to cool down so we can peel them and make our soup. These are cooled down. We're just going to peel them. We're going to add carrots and sweet potatoes to our eggplant soup. I got really small ones at the market, so, have one large sweet potato, that's enough, just peel it. Both of these vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, that's why they're orange, which converts into vitamin A and is very, very good for your eyes, protects your vision, protects your retina. It protects your lens. They both have a lot of antioxidants. They're good for gut health. Lutein, which is one of the antioxidants that they have, is great for your brain. So perfect. We're just gonna chop these coarsely. As you can see, I also have an onion. Just chop everything coarsely. We're gonna blend it, so you don't need to do it really small. Put all this in a pot now with a little oil that is heating. We're just going to cook these vegetables for 10 minutes. I'm going to add a tablespoon of curry powder to this. This is Indian curry powder. If you want this to be spicier, you can put more. We'll let that cook for a few minutes. I'm going to add 6 cups of water to this. You can use vegetable stock if you want. We're gonna let this cook for about 10-15 minutes until they start softening, and then we'll add our eggplant. I'm gonna add salt, pepper. Okay, let's see. Yep, okay. That's about 15 minutes. Now I'm adding all that roasted eggplant, which we peeled. We're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes and then we'll blend it. I'm turning off the heat. Oh, this smells beautiful. If you have an immersion blender, use it now. If you don't, wait for this to cool down and blend it in your stand-up blender, okay? Don't put hot liquids in there, it'll go all over the place. Taste it for salt. It's beautiful. Let's make some croutons for our soup. I cubed some of my whole grain bread. Here, the link is showing up right now. This is 3 slices. I'm going to put some olive oil on them. I'm gonna add some granulated garlic. You can use powdered. Some oregano. Little cumin. And some salt. We're just gonna mix that well. We want everything to get coated. Obviously, guys, this is totally optional. We're gonna toast these until they're nice and crunchy so that we can serve them with our soup. Just, move them occasionally, and once they're nice and toasted, turn off. But here is our super delicious and healthy soup, guys. Oh, it is really delicious. Wow, so much goodness in the bowl. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you soon.